Welcome back to OnePackageLive.com. This is Frank, and today is March 15th, 2013, and I'm coming back tonight to do something really cool. Just want to let you guys know that I got the output that I was looking for last night. If you remember last night's video, I was attempting to print basically the right columns, the selected columns from a GPS database file. And just to do a quick review, this was the original file. My wanted to do was I wanted to just print these 4 columns here, the segment, point, latitude, longitude, and omit the rest of the information here. So the next thing that I was able to do was, let me look at the next file here. I extracted that information to a file named tracks, and I created spaces between the comma and the quotations so that I can create fields using awk. After that, I got my desired output, which eliminated the rest of these columns, and it gave me these 6 fields here, but they're actually 4 columns. So I got my segment, my point, latitude, and longitude. So I'm going to pick up where I left off yesterday, which was trying to create an SQL ready file. Now note that I'm not doing SQL right now, and it's been a long while since I was learning it. So when I get it back into SQL and get it all set up, I'll work on the correct syntax. But for right now, my goal was to be able to get these parentheses around the entire data set. And what I had to do was I had to replace my goal was to replace these quotes, this line here and that last comma, with an opening parenthesis and a closing parenthesis with a semicolon. And this is what I was trying to accomplish here. So let me show you what I ended up doing. I created this regular expression, or the sed command, with the regular expression to take everything in the first line and replace it with the word insert. I escaped the parenthesis that I want to use to open up the file, or to open up the data set. And the next command for sed or replacement set was to get rid of the last line, the comma in the last line, and replace it with a closing parenthesis and a closing semicolon. And finally, at the end here, I can't believe I forgot why I did this. Okay, let's look at the output, and maybe it'll help me remember. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it. And then we're going to read the insert GPS data. Nope. Okay, let's read insert GPS data. And there we go. I'm going to find it, I'm going to get rid of this somehow later on. But for now, this is the important part. I got the word insert in there. I replaced that quotation mark with this opening parenthesis. I replaced the double quotes with single quotes. And if you look at the original data here, original text, I had double quotation with my, I still have my separation, my field separation. I have the fields that I want, and I closed it with a closing parenthesis and a semicolon. This is really exciting because when I get back into my SQL and I start importing more tracks, because it's something I find really exciting to collect waypoints, I want to be able to import them into a database. In the future, I'm going to get back into Grass GIS, and when I get into that, this is going to be very helpful, because I'm going to be able to collect tracks from everywhere. I'm going to be able to import them in the SQL database and be able to have the Grass GIS program to read it. So that's going to be really cool. It's going to be really exciting. This was pretty much intended to be a short video. This is what I was trying to accomplish last night. Here's the syntax. If you want to go ahead and copy this. I'm going to this file website, and you can download it and play around with it as you wish. So it's not like I have anything that I'm going to keep secret here. I showed you guys pretty much everything that I've been doing so far, and some of you of course could do a lot cooler stuff, and if you do, go ahead and post it and share it with me. Anyways, with that being said, I'm going to close this out. This is onepackagelive.com. This is Frank, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.